As a parent, there's nothing more important than the safety of your child. But when you're on the road, it can be hard to keep an eye on your little one. That's where the Rohent Baby Car Camera comes in. This innovative device is designed to help parents keep an eye on their baby while driving. The Rohent Baby Car Camera is incredibly easy to install. With just a few simple steps, you can have it up and running in less than 5 minutes. Once installed, the Rohent Baby Car Camera provides a crystal clear view of your baby in the back seat. The 1080p picture quality and night vision make it easy to see your little one, even in low light conditions. The Rohent Baby Car Camera comes with a suction cup mount, so you can easily attach it to your windshield or dashboard. And with a wide view angle, you can see both of your kids in the back seat at the same time. The Rohent Baby Car Camera is built to last and comes with a 3-year warranty. If you have any issues with your device, Rohent's customer service team is always ready to help. The Rohent Baby Car Camera is a game changer for parents on the go. With its easy installation, crystal clear picture quality, and durable design, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their baby safe while driving.